Hi, I'm Chris Raptus Real Estate, and Savvy, of course, on this tremendous Friday, episode 32. A quick synopsis and wrap up of the week. I want to reflect back on the comment I made a couple of months ago about real estate being a lagging indicator. So what I'm seeing now is a lot of either investors or downsizers or potentially upsizers as well, are trying to capitalize in on the strong Adelaide market. And what that really means is that the market is swinging like a pendulum. It's hot one minute, it's not hot the next. Next week it's going to be hot again, and then the next week it's not going to be hot. So what's happening is there's an oversaturation of properties on the marketplace, and again, traditionally around winter time, it's not common over the last couple of years that I've been following the statistics more closely, that a lot of properties will come on during winter. So we've certainly seen a flurry of properties being listed. That, in my opinion, means that there's more choice for buyers in the marketplace. And again, fixed rates are at an all-time low. So, you know, the rental market is very strong and continuing to be strong. So I think that there's a couple of key factors there. And you would have noticed that I've put up a few posts on the Raptus Real Estate website, a Facebook page, should I say rather, where we've been talking about rates, whether you should fix or you know, variable, you know, some tips before end of financial year. Again, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research, and just a little bit of guidance around the, you know, rental strength of the marketplace across Australia, and you'll see that, you know, the average rent per property has certainly increased with the graph that we've posted on the page. So it's a little synopsis and you know, market update for those that are thinking about selling in the next couple of months, you know, leading up into spring. As we know, it is traditionally the most active time of the year. However, when I was posting a couple of months ago, you know, there wasn't a lot of stock. There were talking rate reducements or, you know, reductions in the interest rate, and I believe that there will be more than likely one further reduction by the end of this year. So all interesting stuff. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Have fun out there house hunting. We've got a few rentals on the market at the moment. One at Frederick Street in Mansfield Park for $600 a week. It's 3 bedrooms, single bathroom, 2 car parking spaces, and 25 Ripon Road in Clarence Park. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a double garage. So some interesting properties. Savvy's obviously very interested, and I know if you have any questions, you know, holler at me, send me a DM. More than happy to help. You know, with my advice over the last 20 years, I think I can give some pretty solid, non-sugar-coated advice. So look forward to hearing from you, and thank you again for those landlords that have taken me up on the 5% plus GST management offer. We're going to continue that into the new financial year. As you know, we continue to grow our rent roll and our books, and you know, just thanks to everyone that's been supporting us over the years. If you're a new client, it's exciting to have you on board, and I've had some clients with me now for 10 plus years, so it's been great to service families and individuals with their property goals, and whatever that may be, whether you're buying, selling, renting, or just want a neutral opinion on price on your property, I'm more than happy to help, and that's both residential and commercial. Have a great weekend. Look forward to checking in with you over the next few days. Take care. Bye.